This fragile girl has proven that she is stronger than any man. You will definitely be shocked why. She starts by carefully sawing off the bumper along with the headlights. Then, adding a few boards, she screws them to the table. Next, she installs the headlights and puts in the bulbs. In the center of the table, she cuts a hole and installs a connector for connecting the charger. On top of the boards, she glues an additional panel. Then, from wooden boards, she assembles a sliding cabinet to which she attaches the bumper with bolts. When she puts the phone on charge, the headlights start to glow, and as soon as the phone is charged, they automatically go out. This girl has shown that gender does not matter, only the approach and desire to create. Could you create a similar table?